Good morning. Say good morning.
Hi.
We're going to work out
Hi
out
and
here.
good morning.
We're outside the RV. Right there. Our RV is right there and we're out here. And I'm going to work out. Are you gonna join mommy working out?
If you want me to.
I would love for you to join mommy.
Okay, silly you. Little pinky punky little water drop.
So after namin nag-workout, so ayan, nag-season na naman kami ng iluluto for dinner. Ito yung ribs. Nagsisiseason na ng asawa ko yung ribs. Sabi ko nga, siya yung mas mahilig magluto dito sa amin. Mas masarap kasi siya magluto kaysa sa akin. Tapos ayan, sineseason na niya both side gamit ang Kuso seasoning. We're using Kuso seasoning for this ribs. We are in love with all the Kuso seasoning that we tried so far. And we also love it because it's hopefully more natural and it has no fillers, no artificial flavoring. So yeah, hopefully mas healthy choice siya. Ito naman yung second na ribs. Ibang seasoning naman ang gamit namin dito. Para maraming flavor. Mas masaya. Maraming options. May mga choices. Para hindi ka no choice. Ay nako. Nang kwentang mga jokes ko. Basta ayan. Yung hickory molasses. Ang flavor ng seasoning for this ribs. O diba? Ang saya-saya ng life. Ayan. Season lang si Joshua ko. Ayan na siya. Nakalagay na sa loob ng grill. Ready nang iluto or maluto. This is the binder that we use. And then